I've been making egg drop soup since I was a little kid, and everyone always finished every drop of it. It is so good.
Welcome to CiCi Asian Home Cooking. Today I'd like to share with you a super tasty egg drop soup recipe that you can easily make in just 5 minutes. Oh, and trust me on this, it is way better than takeout.
We have 5 eggs here in a bowl. Crack the eggs inside. Whisk.
I don't know about you, but I absolutely love egg drop soup. I would put egg drops in so many different dishes. Noodle soup, mini hot pot, congee, and sometimes even dessert soup.
In a bowl, add the cornstarch and water. Whisk.
This will thicken our soup and give it a slightly soaky texture.
In a pot over high heat, add the chicken stock and salt. You can add more or less based on your preference. Bring it to a simmer. Add the cornstarch slurry to the pot. Stir until it is thickened. And bring it to a boil. Slowly put the eggs inside. Let it set and stir a little bit. If you prefer big egg ribbons like mine, wait for the eggs to set and then stir gently. If you like small ribbons, quickly stir the eggs as you pour them into the pot. Add the white peppers, sesame oil, and scallions.
This is absolutely amazing. It is so easy to make at the same time super delicious. I can eat this all day, every single day. I just love soup. My husband, on the other hand, he doesn't like soup so much. He's so funny. If he can avoid soup, he would. So what about you? Do you like soup? Please comment below. If you also like to make a super tasty shrimp egg drop soup recipe, you gotta check out the video right here because it is so good. And subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you in the next episode for another awesome recipe. I'll see you again soon. Bye! Would you like to watch exclusive behind the scene content? Also receive early access to my written recipes and short videos. Please become a supporter. Your support helps me in creating more easy to follow Asian recipes. You are amazing.